the joy of light. Dawn bursts into the spring sky. Soft yellow rays peek out of the puffy clouds and soak up the water from yesterday's rain. A laughing child tickles his baby sister. Two people paddle a canoe on a stream of water reflecting the clouds, the sun, and a bright blue sky. Liza Roman.
Dreaming of green. Tendrils of struggling sunshine wrestle with straggling clouds. Winter sky has a weak golden hue. Diverse feeder birds are back in serious pursuit of seeds after barely their snowfall. Our four-footed furry friends bury scattered about stores against hibernal, furious, frigid assault. Happily, long, dark, dreary nights begin their snail-paced retreat. Though it seems but a remote reverie, longer days will awaken to shimmery green. Green, how I want you green. Harris Gardner.
Harsh hurry of time churning. In a circle, a wheel running away from me, pummeling its drum, a raucous dance to the sun going down. Then, the quiet end of all vibrations. Then, a reverie of stillness. Erin Palazzolo Loparo.
Chilly January mornings continue, with no turn in the weather. A ragged rim of thin ice along the frozen lake shore barely covers frosty pebbles, as a flutter of wings settle on the winter feeder. Lainie, Senechal.
The tight wraps of morning glories past, seeds buried, waiting a sunshine comeback. Patiently, I unwind the hardy vine from the railing to coil tendrils of golden lights and season's greetings. Tsuya Chinn.
Imperfect. I wake with the sun, no need to rush, my eyes still blurry, needless to hurry. I grab my fude and do not worry. I take my time, focus my mind, hear the drum, sense the hum, take a stance, do a dance. I take a breath, let it go. My body goes slow, quick, slow. Makes a circle I call Enso. Imperfect. Katherine Borkowski-Byrne.